Up. Here is the handsome escape artist. I don't have a collar on him because he'll slip it. So I have to keep him very, very, very close. He's gonna do his business. I can't let the collar. I basically have to choke him. Unfortunately, I hate that, but so yeah. I was so mad at them yesterday. I tried to take the mail out, couldn't get out of the house. I was like, you know what? Forget this. None of you are going out. If I can't go out, none of you are going to go out. So they waited until Patty Pooh got home. Look at him. Don't you hate when people fly down your road? I mean, if there is no sign telling you what the speed limit is, you should go at least 25 or 35. I know that truck was going faster than that. Sounded like it. Come here, we gotta put something in the mailbox. Watch out for these crazy drivers. If you slip this, I'm gonna be so mad. But if he slips it, hopefully, or rather, if he gets away from me, hopefully he still has the leash on and I can just, well, I'm not running nowhere. He'll come back. Come to the mailbox. Stop. Yes, she hasn't ran. Cool. We're going down here. I gotta keep you close to me. He will not doo-doo. He won't do it. I don't care how long I walk him. He won't go poop. It's so weird. And then when he does, if he does it in the house, you guys, he's old. He's like gonna be, we got him when Peyton was 1. Peyton's about to be 13. So he's gonna be 12, if that's right. And when he does go, since he's an elderly dog, it's like really, really bad bowel movements. Nobody wants to clean him up. Like you will throw up. But isn't it beautiful out here? I'm gonna try to escape. We're not supposed to be back here, but this really isn't the area we're not supposed to be in. But down there over by Flint Creek, you know, Flint River, we're not supposed to be down there if it's hunting season, because there's a lot of hunters down there and they'll get you. I got yelled at one time. Oh, I didn't get yelled at. He was like, he heard me walking or crunching. I was being quiet, but I was crunching because the leaves and stuff. He's like, I don't know who you are, but you better get back up there where you belong. I was like, yes, sir, just walking my dog. We're going. Had to throw a backcountry accent so he knew I was from around here. So we'll just do this for however long. He won't go to the bathroom. And then when I go back inside to take the other, can't talk. when I have to go back inside to take the other dogs out, Hazel and Ranger, who I'm sure have already gone to the bathroom in the house, I will have to put him in a room by himself, and hopefully only either Ranger or Hazel will. Hazel and Ranger are in my bedroom together by themselves right now. So when I open the door, hopefully only one will come out. And I will have to put him in a room by himself, Chico, because otherwise he will try to go out again. So he just peed for like the 4th time. Still no doo-doo. Can we get this moving, sir? I'm not walking all the way around there. Trying to figure out a way off this leash, aren't you? Ain't none for you unless you're gonna go poo-poo. I didn't think so. See, Pat, I am taking the dogs to the bathroom. So, There's a barn that collapsed. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty cool. You don't go on the trail we ain't supposed to be down. We used to not be able to walk here at all. It used to be all... Oh, I found a little deer here once. Chico tried to kill it, and it made me scared. Okay, this trail leads down to some cornfields, and if you keep on walking a little bit, it will eventually lead you to what everybody calls the creek. I've never been. It's too far of a walk. I think I've showed you guys the end, like the end of the trail before, but I ain't taking my ass down there. Plus, I don't do the hunting and fishing shit anyway. Okay, you're done. Let's go. I know you're gonna get out when I go to check the mail anyway, so let's go home. Come on. He is Houdini. Any collar, don't get too far ahead. He walks really good on a leash actually, but any collar, any sort of chain, the kennel we have out back, any sort of fence, any type of inside cage, he will get out of it. I'm not even joking you. He will get out of it. Let's work cards both ways. You didn't. Bad for you. Let's go get the other doggies.